Stand-up paddleboarding, embrace nature, boost fitness, and find balance on the water. Discover the incredible benefits of stand-up paddleboarding, SUP. Glide across serene waters, soaking in the beauty of nature. Engage your core muscles, building strength and improving balance. SUP is a low-impact, full-body workout that suits all fitness levels. Enhance cardiovascular health while enjoying the tranquility of the outdoors. Unwind, de-stress, and connect with nature as you paddle. Ready to experience the wonders of SUP? Dive in and explore this exhilarating activity today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to engage with our content. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting outdoor adventures. And stay tuned for our upcoming SUP tutorials and gear reviews. Let's embark on this journey together.